This tutorial video shows how to share, advertise and distribute Navicup map. To start, click on the Share button and choose Embed this map. There are many languages you can choose from. We will choose English and click on the Frame button. The link will be copied to your clipboard. Now, let's open our WordPress web editor and paste the copied link. We can see that the link will be pasted together with the frame tag. Update your web page and see the result. Navicup has a feature that helps you share your map by using QR code. QR code can be used on information boards, leaflets or flyers. To find your unique QR code, click on the Share button and then Print QR code. You will be presented with a preview of the printout together with a map name, description, language availability and references to both Google Play and App Store. To print your QR code, choose desired grid for the printout. There are preset grids with different layouts. You can also download it as a vector. To set app widget to your website, just click on the Share button. From there, choose Embed App Widget. You will be presented with a preview of the widget and also a frame tag, which you can copy. Open up your web editor and paste the copied frame tag. Update the page and see how the widget looks like. App widget is used for cases when visitor uses mobile phone to access your web page. After clicking on the widget, the app will be downloaded to the mobile phone. After opening the app, your map will be presented to the user automatically. It is possible to share your map on social media. To do this, head to the Share button and choose Share Link. Open up your social media page and create a post with the copied link inside. The link will guide visitors to Google Play or App Store. After downloading the app, your map will be presented to the users automatically. It is very important to choose a name for the map in accordance with the key phrases that people normally enter to search engines. In our case, we have a map about nature tourism. As you can see, our map holds a name associated to this. If we are looking for nature tourism in Saaremaa, we probably enter Saaremaa Nature Tourism to the search engine. As you can see, our map pops up in the first page. By choosing your map a thought-out name, you will gain high value through search engine optimization.